In this video, we will discuss and review Offcoin and if it's actually a good application. So as you can see on Broker Chooser, it asks if is Offcoin safe. So as you can see, it has a 3.9 over 5 crypto score with top tier regulation, transparent pricing, and strong investor protection. So in here, it is a promising investment platforms, but if it's really secure and a trustworthy, the verdict is that not. We wouldn't trust Upcoin with our own money because it's not regulated by a financial authority with strict standards. So to stay safe, you need to find a top-tier regulated broker like 100 plus trusted providers like this. We have Swissquote, Easy Equities, Interactive Brokers, Multibank, and Wanda. So in there, you can see in here some options to choose from. So if you still want to try Upcoin, it's actually up to you. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.